How to make money on eBay with no product, and I'm talking about up to $120 per item. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in this video we will talk about what to sell on eBay in 2019, in 2020 and beyond. So we're gonna talk about top selling items on eBay, top selling products on eBay. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it without a product. So you don't need anything in your home. You don't need to turn your home into a warehouse. You essentially need to buy from one place, sell it on eBay and cash in on a big price difference. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading a video to this channel, I'm giving away $300 worth of products. And if you want to win $300 worth of products, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the products to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. Everything else is free courses, free downloads, free reports, etc. Everything about making money online and working from home, and also follow me on the usual social media. So with that being said, let me share my screen and let me show you exactly how to make money on eBay and how to sell stuff on eBay and not only. Okay, so obviously you're gonna have to buy something and then resell it on eBay, and the key here is just to find products with big price differences. So this is a site that I'm actually using a lot. I'm buying a lot of silver coins, gold coins, etc., and I found some big price differences. Okay, so I'm just going to give you one example. So the price of this silver coin on EuropeanMint.com is $15.27. So as you can see, this is a silver 1 ounce coin. It's 2 Great Britain pounds, UK silver, Britannia coin. So again, this is $15.27 in euro, and obviously I'm in Portugal in Europe, so I'm gonna have to buy these coins from European Mint. So this might be different if you are located in the US or Canada or Australia, but I guarantee you that the prices are similar, just on different websites. So you're gonna have to do the research yourself. If you are in Europe, just go to EuropeanMint.com and check out all the coins, and we're gonna go through it in a second. But just this one coin that will cost you $15.27. If you're gonna go to eBay, as you can see, I found the same exact coin selling for 18.55 pounds. So this is over 20 euros. So you're gonna cash in on €5 just for buying the coin right here and selling it on eBay. Okay, so the cool thing is that you don't really have to buy the coins up front. You can, but you don't have to. You can just sell it on eBay first, and then once you're gonna get this money, you're gonna get it on European Mint or wherever you want to buy it, and then just send it to your buyer. So there's no upfront investment. Obviously it's better to have these coins at home so you can send it immediately and deliver it immediately to your buyer. But if you don't want to do it with any upfront investment, then you can do it as well. Just wait for the order first, then buy it, and then you can send it directly to your buyer. Okay, so this is on ebay.co.uk. so obviously this is for the Great Britain eBay, and if you're gonna go to ebay.com, you get the same exact coin for, as you can see, 18.55 in pounds, or 20.92 in euro. So you have 20.92 right here on ebay.com, and again we're gonna pay $15.27 for this coin. So you're cashing in on €5, which is like $7. And remember, this doesn't cover the cost of shipping. So we're gonna have to pay an additional €5 for shipping. So if the shipping is cheaper, actually right here we can actually make an additional like $1 or $2 on shipping alone. Okay, so this is just one example I wanted to show you. So you got European Mint, ebay.co.uk, ebay.com. Another one that I found on the same website, europeanmint.com, is a 1 gram bar. Okay, so they have a number of different things that they are selling here. silver, gold, etc. But just to give you another example, 1 gram gold costs 47 euro and a half. Okay, so we're gonna buy it on europeanmint.com, 47 euro, and again on eBay we can sell something similar for 53 euro. So you're cashing in on like 6 euro right here. But what I found is that if you're gonna sell this locally, you can charge even more. So I found this guy that I'm actually buying from as well in Portugal, where I live, and he charges much more just because he sells locally. So he charges 62 euro for the same 1 gram gold bar. Okay, so the difference here is 15 euro. Okay, so like $20, and it's just 1 gram, something super small. It can fit in your pocket. Okay, so this is just another example. So again, 47 euro here, and you can charge anywhere from 53 euro to 62 euro. So obviously it all depends on how fast you want to flip it and where are you actually located if you're sending it physically. Okay, so that's another example. And just do me a favor, go to europeanmint.com or any other site that sells these coins and silver bars and gold bars, and just check out the products. And in many cases they have like the new products that are exclusive, that are like limited editions, that they only gonna release like 1,000 coins or 10,000 coins. So if you're gonna buy it, and actually if you're gonna hold on to it, you can flip it for a lot of money. Okay, so they have the new products, you can check it all out. But if you're just gonna go to silver, they have a number of different silver coins, and they have different sizes as well. So they have a half an ounce, they have an ounce, they have like 2-ounce coins, all the way up to 1 kilo. Okay, so for like 500 euro you can buy a 1 kilo coin. They have like 10 ounces, 2 ounces, 5 ounces, a wide variety of different coins. Okay, so again, this is just one thing that you can flip. You can do the same with gold. So with gold they have 1 gram, 2.5 grams I believe, 5, 10, etc. No, so all the way up to like 1 kilo as well for 38,000 euro if you get that kind of cash. You know what I'm saying? So you can do the same with gold. They have platinum, they have excuse me, let me just scroll up. They have platinum, they have palladium, they have copper, collectibles. So each and every single item is a potential flip right here. And this is just one side. Go out there, type in how I can buy gold or silver in your region, in your country, and you're gonna just come up with a bunch of different opportunities to sell on eBay. Okay, so these are the best selling items on eBay. People look for this constantly, and again, especially if you can do this locally. Okay, so this is just one example of what you can sell on eBay, types of items that you can sell on eBay for profit. Another thing I wanted to show you is actually that the same items many times will cost different prices on eBay and on Amazon. So I found this on ebay.com. This is some Lego Starship, Lego Star Wars Star Destroyer, whatever, if you're into Star Wars or Legos. On ebay.com it costs 67 euro, and on amazon.com it costs 156 dollars. So 67 euro is like $75. Right here you can just double your money super easily. So all you have to do is just buy it on eBay and sell it on Amazon. And again, all you have to do is just set up a listing on Amazon. Then once the order comes in, you go to eBay and you can even send it directly, or again, you can just send it to your own home. If you want to do the investment, then you can send it much faster, and obviously the buyer will be much happier. But this is just another example of what is possible on eBay. Just check out price differences between eBay and Amazon, and in some cases they are huge. And this is just one example. You can flip literally anything. You can flip clothing, jewelry, cosmetics, whatever, like anything that is branded really. So eBay and Amazon, that's another thing that you can look out for if you want to sell something on eBay for profits. Okay, so Another thing I found that is very cool and actually custom is you can go to Fiverr and find gigs like this. I will convert your photo into an oil painting. So this person actually does this manually, okay? So you send them a photo and they will actually draw everything by hand. They will draw an oil painting and they are charging 224 euro for it, okay? So this is something totally custom. Custom made, and obviously this will take like 7 days, but on eBay people are selling the same exact things for at least, this is the cheaper one that I found, so 334 euro, okay? So same exact thing, photo to painting, 100% hand painted custom landscape oil painting, okay? So you got 334 here. You got 224 here, so 100 euro, which is like $120. So that's why I told you in the beginning, you can make up to $120 with just what I'm going to show you in this video, okay? The possibilities are endless. So, check out these people on Fiverr. Normally on Fiverr, they are charging much less, and on eBay, you can flip these literally for hundreds of dollars. And, this is the one that I found that was cheap. I saw one for $400, I saw one for $500, so it all depends on how big the painting actually is, okay? But you can make an easy $120 just flipping something like this, okay? So again, Fiverr and eBay. And another thing I found on Fiverr is something that not many people actually know about. So if you're gonna go to lifestyle and the arts and crafts category, they have a number of different very unique gigs that are super cheap that you can resell on eBay or anywhere else for that matter. So these are super custom. We have this person, I will draw your pets in my cute unique style for 27 euro, which is like 30 bucks. You can easily sell this for 50, 60, 70, $80 on eBay. We got we have this gig, I will hand letter your phrase, name, quote, or anything you want. So this is something handmade, custom made for $10. You can sell this for at least $20, $30, $40 on eBay. I will sketch jewelry designs for your brand, 37 euro. You can easily sell this for at least a double of this price. Another painting on oil painting on canvas. We got some toys, like custom made toys. Someone will draw manga for us. This guy sells this manga sort of illustrations for $5. You can sell it easily for $25 on eBay or somewhere else. So just go to the arts and crafts category. This is something that not many people know about. When you think about Fiverr, you think about like maybe logos or maybe articles or something that people deliver online. But in the arts and crafts category, there's a bunch of different things like these figurines or photo sketches, etc., that people do actually by hand, and it's all custom made, and you can flip it for profit on eBay or anywhere else, and you can cash in on big price differences between these and eBay, or you can do the same on Amazon or anywhere else. But this video is about making money on eBay, and this is what we will stick with, okay? So go to fiverr.com, again, lifestyle and then arts and crafts. And another thing I wanted to show you is AliExpress. So obviously you probably know it, but if you don't, AliExpress is essentially a site like eBay but from Asia, and they have pretty much the same kind of products that they are selling, but they are much cheaper. And the only caveat is that you have to wait for the order to come. So some people just go to eBay just because they're gonna receive it in like a day or two, and they don't have to wait like a week or two. So what you can do is you can cash in on big price differences. Again, you can go to flash deals. These are the best deals they have on AliExpress right now. So what I found this muscle simulator body slimming shaper machine abdominal muscle exerciser. So as you can see, it is $5 right here, and if we're gonna go to eBay, we got it for €9, which is $10. So essentially we are doubling our investment, okay? So $5 here, $10 here, super easy. As you can see, this is the same exact product. You know, you don't have to do anything else apart of just buying it on AliExpress and selling it on eBay, cashing in on the difference. And again, this is making money on eBay with no product. You don't have to you know, keep these products at your home, in your garage, whatever. You know, you can just buy and sell super easily. Just do it smart, you know, make sure that your order that you're sending to someone doesn't arrive like 2 months later. You have to do it smart, but you know, there's a lot of money that you can make, you know, just flipping these products from AliExpress to eBay. Again, check out Amazon, check out all these websites that I showed you. You can make a ton of cash on eBay, and not only on eBay, just flipping these items, flipping these products. There's a lot of potential, and again, you don't need any product of your own. You can just flip other people's products and make a killing on eBay. Okay, so guys, this is my video for today, but before we go, let me show you who won the giveaway from my previous video. Okay, so my previous video is this one right here: make money painting lines, $5 a minute. So check it out. This is an amazing video as well. Let me just grab the URL. Let me go to YouTube random comment picker and let me paste it in. Okay, let's see how many comments we have. We have 10 comments, so let's check out who won the giveaway. Okay, we got Season Toy C, great idea, never knew that, thank you. And we got the email. So right now I'm going to send $300 worth of products to Season Toy. And if you want to win $300 worth of products, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the products to. And it can be a question as well if you have any, all right? Okay, so as you are seeing, I just sent the courses to the winner. Congratulations again. Please check out all the links in the description. Again, the top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home, and everything else is free downloads, free signups. Everything is about making money online and working from home. Again, if you have any comments, please let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. And check out the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording a ton of videos on making money online. So not only how to make money on eBay, but a ton of different ideas for you guys. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Ciao.